I hit it in between your two shots. But you know what? You were close, you could tell.
If that's getting in the way, that's cool. You can take it off. I just figured it's gonna be
really doesn't
cool
even
shots.
bother you.
It's just gonna be some cool shots. Well, I tried putting it on mine. I had to aim in between that.
Yeah.
I couldn't see anything. That's the way to do it. What kind of a gun is that? Well, that was loud.
Yeah, I call it a coach gun.
A double barrel coach gun.
Yeah, it's got really short barrels and it's got the rabbit ear hammers.
A double barrel coach gun. Who makes it?
Zhangzhou Machine Works in China.
Zhangzhou.
Yeah.
So Zhangzou made it?
Zhangzou makes it.
Zhangzou.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Charlie Zamazu, that's a good guy, man. He does good work.
You made me nervous.
What happened?
Dusted.
Did you dust it? Dust it.
Gluten-free.
Two.
Here, one for you. What exactly is a gluten?
Gluten is the part of food that's yummy.
That's gluten right
The
there.
part of food that's
gluten.
yummy is gluten.
A lot of gluten.
Ketchup. I like ketchup. They're trying to put ranch. I don't know about the whole ranch thing. What's your thought? I'm thinking no ranch. I'm just gonna go like this.
Dave, how hot is
And
this?
you gotta pet it a little bit and be like, and then you gotta bite it. I'm like, say cheese.
Whiskey!
So you guys,
Your powers unite!
Why is this like a foot tall?
what are you guys doing?
We don't know.
I feel like it's Wonkadoo. Box up in the top. Is that battery?
That's the batteries.
That's dog. What is it? Triple D's?
Yeah,
it uses
4 Ds. 4 Ds.
God.
4
Batteries.
Ds for LED.
Like watch battery up there? No, it's using 4Ds. They're dimmer, but they'll last forever.